All right, so we're going to talk now on how we're going to do this aerial image to a 3D maquette that we can sell for real estate properties and developments. So how can we achieve this? We're going to refresh Flux, and then I'm going to put the base image, and I will take this prompt, copy it, and paste it here. Make this a 3D maquette model for a real estate showroom. Make it look like a real model. Generate. Let's see what Flux can give us. And there we go. That's a 3D maquette. So just with a click of a button, we can achieve a really good result. And with few more prompting, we can, remove whatever is extra and that we don't need or want. And of course, we can enhance this image after. I want to show you guys how the enhancement of the image can be done, so you don't have to do it. So this is the base image, or this is the generated image, and this is the enhanced one. Not much of details. I believe even the enhanced one has hidden some details. And of course, the 3D maquettes, usually take efforts for it to be perfect, but I can tell my idea, right? If I'm, debating this with a customer, I can, just show them and be like, do you mean this? And they'll be able to tell me yes or no, when usually I take a whole longer time to be able to actually generate this and convince him with the idea. Now we're gonna apply the same thing, but with for a house, a CAD plan. So this is a CAD plan, as you guys can see, and we're gonna turn it to this rendered 3D form maquette that we can, it's like a cross section for the house that we can see it from a plan view. So how do we achieve this? We take this prompt, Control C, and then Control V here. Make this a 3D maquette model with extruded walls and windows placed in a meeting room with a person pointing at it. Let's see what Flux will give us. There you go. Amazing. I can see that our ambitious CAD plan has been turned into a 3D maquette that I can as well sell it to clients or real estate development companies. I don't know how long did I save you guys in this video, usually days, but I hope you benefit from this one and see you guys in the next ones.